Hi, nice to meet you. Today it's very cold. I feel very happy. I will show my homework. Are you ready? Let's start. Lesson 2. The vowel sound air and air. The first soft vowel sound air. Planner. How long are you planning to stay here? Grandchildren? Do you have any grandchildren? Yes, I have one grandchildren. Travel. I enjoy traveling. Pandas. I can sing very good because I'm in the band. Metron. What time's the metron? Maybe have 7:30. Cats. I will play in cats. The second soft vowel sound air. Anybody? Anybody? Do you live with anybody? I live with two my friends. Get get a job. Spender. I enjoy spending time with you. Recommend. I strongly recommend English speaker club to everyone I meet. Everything. Family is everything. Better. I couldn't be better. The third. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. I consider it a great honor to be invited to speak here. I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time. My name is Hian. My English is to be very poor, and I feel terrible about myself. I had a very negative attitude toward life. I consider myself a total failure. I had no goals, no dreams, and no hopes for the future. My life was really a disaster. Thank you.